Hey there everybody, this is Valentina, your local Argentinian Spanish tutor. Welcome back to another video where I give you all the best tips and tricks to improve your Spanish and help you sound like a true Spanish speaker. Today is a great day. Spring has finally arrived to Buenos Aires and everything's blooming, the weather is just beautiful. Because I'm feeling so great, I thought I'd share with you 30 Spanish idioms to help you sound like a true native Spanish speaker. So with no further ado, let's get on with the video. So, like I said, I'm gonna be teaching you 30 of the most fun and useful Spanish idioms. Idioms, or in Spanish, modismos, are phrases or expressions that rather than having a literal meaning, have a figurative meaning. What I mean by this is that you probably couldn't figure out the meaning of these expressions by looking at the words that form them. These are expressions that came about as the language spread and grew. Some consequence of random situations that took place years ago, and some of daily life situations. These are very frequently used among native speakers. So let's go. Meter la pata. Literally, this expression means to put the leg in something. Figuratively speaking, it means to make a mistake or to screw up. Estar entre la espada y la pared. To be between a sword and a wall. Can you guess this one? To be in a position where all your options are bad options. There's a very similar English expression that you may know. To be between a rock and a hard place. Pan comido. Eating bread. This one we use to express that something is very easy to do. Also similar to an English expression, a piece of cake. Como pez en el agua, like a fish in the water. This one means to be comfortable or content in the situation you are in. Ser la oveja negra is the same one as English to be the black sheep, to be an outcast or to be the odd one out. No tener pelos en la lengua. That one's weird. Kind of disgusting as well. It means to have no filter or to be very straightforward. Ser de fierro. This one is very common in Argentina. This one literally means to be made of iron, and it's used to define someone that's very loyal. Salirse con la suya is the Spanish equivalent to get away with something. Dar en el blanco or dar en la nota means to hit the target or to hit the correct key, and it basically means to be right. Largo y tendido literally means long and lying down. Anyways, it means to do something for too long or for a long time. Ser mala leche or bad milk means to be someone with bad intentions or that is out to do harm. Lavarse las manos means to wash your hands, but in this case, it means to not take responsibility for something. Al pie de la letra. To do something to the foot of the letter, it means to do something in a precise way. Estar como una cabra is for sure one of my favorites. Literally speaking, to be like a goat. Figuratively speaking, to be crazy. Why do we associate being crazy to a goat? Something that cuesta un ojo de la cara, costs an eye of the face, is something that is very, very expensive. That kind of makes sense, right? I feel like an eye would be expensive, wouldn't it? There are more expensive parts of the body. Matar dos pájaros de un tiro is the Spanish for to kill two birds with one stone. Except that in Spanish, it's a bullet. No pegar ojo means to not shut an eye, which means to not sleep. Sacarle las papas del fuego means to get someone potatoes out of the fire. which basically means to help them out or to get them out of a tough spot. Tener un as bajo la manga means to have an ace under your sleeve. This one is very similar to English, to have a trick under your sleeve. It means to have a move that no one knows about yet. Dar vuelta la tortilla, or tortilla, means to flip the omelette around, which basically means to flip a situation or to turn the tables. Buscarle la quinta pata al gato means to search for the fifth leg on a cat. This one means to look for problems where there are none or to come up with them unnecessarily. Echar leña al fuego means to throw wood into the fire, which means to complicate an already complicated situation. Estar con la soga al cuello, to have a rope around your neck. This means to be under a lot of pressure. Tener memoria de pez, to have the memory of a fish, which for some reason means to have no memory at all. Maybe they were thinking about Dory from Finding Nemo for this one. Media naranja. It's like your other half, but it's actually half an orange. Estar a media máquina means to be at half machine, which basically means to not be functioning at 100% for whatever reason. ¿Qué le hace una raya más al tigre? What does another stripe do to the tiger? Basically means a little more won't really make a difference. Ser gallina means to be a chicken, which means to be a coward. Dar el brazo a torcer means to let your arm be twisted, which means to give up or to give in. It's more often used in a negative form. No des el brazo a torcer. Don't give up or don't give in. The last one is menos mal. This one is used all the time, and the literal translation would be something like less bad. But it actually means something like thank God, or it's used to express gratitude for something happening or not happening. Okay guys, and that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about the Spanish idioms. Did you know them? Do you think they make sense or are they completely random? Which ones would you add to this list? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our content. And follow us on all our social media. We've recently hit 5,000 followers on TikTok, so thank you very much. As always, don't forget to go to OCTB's website and submit to your first free demo lesson. We offer you the amazing experience of learning Spanish with native Spanish speakers from all over Latin America like me. And I'll see you there. Nos vemos! Mwah.